Talk like that. Get you. Talk like that. Get you. Talk like that.
Today we're going to the beach.
Where's my hat?
Damn. I like that hat.
So do I, that's why I got it. Get off of me.
This is the shirt I'm wearing. 2-pack! I was saying it right, baby?
Yeah, you're right.
A real G out here. Your hair pick. Wait, look. You don't need to be that extra. Look at it. What is it? Look.
Just put it on. Put it on, sure.
Exactly. There's a whole ass hair pick just so that he doesn't have to take off his hat and redo it. Oh. You want to punch me on camera? If we were off camera. Oh, if we were off camera.
Let's go.
Oh, camera! So I thought, pussy. Oh my god. I just realized I'm wearing a Tupac shirt in his whip. I mean, if I get shot today, that's a 3 for 3.
Listen.
If you don't jump to put jeans on, babe, you don't feel my pain. Period. Were you worried?
No.
All of a sudden you hear a glass break. We have all our bottles back here. Look at my little picnic. I should have brought juice.
PetSmart.ca has everything for all your pets delivered right to your
PetSmart?
door.
Tell me that's not a coincidence. Listen, guys, I'm telling you, the ads are listening to us. I'm gonna get a pet, and all of a sudden PetSmart comes in. I don't think so. You know what I mean? Weird shit all the time. Whatever we're talking about just pops up. Trying to go to the beach.
Let the car move. Let's not get to start a standard right away.
Hey, feeling good, like I should.
Guys, I got Starbucks. Oh shit. What do you mean?
You're leaning forward, I can't see.
I know that's me. It's a must. I can't remember if I set my makeup today or not. Like, did I use the setting spray or didn't I? Because that's gonna be an issue if we're like in the sun all day, especially if you're going to the beach. Especially if you're going to the beach. Can't be doing that shit. Fuck no. I'm gonna be all like melting. Be like the Wicked Witch from the West out here. Melting and shit. Also, one thing, whoever invented blush, fuck you. Like, whoever invented blush, get your shit together. Who did that? Who is wearing blush? Like, honestly, blush just makes your, like, it just ruins your whole makeup look. Like, you put blush on, it's like, you just look embarrassed. Like, you look like clowns out here. Who is wearing blush? Like, it's just red. Like, don't. Like, I feel like your natural redness comes out in your cheeks anyway. Like, you should not be wearing, like, a bright blush. Like, I don't wear no blush. That's doing too much. It just ruins the whole makeup look. Blush is no. No. Whoever did that, what were you thinking? No. No one should wear, period. Okay. I'll do that later. I need to call someone first. Okay. You know what? Alright, see you guys later.
You have arrived.
So, there's no bathrooms open here, so we have to walk back and see if we can go into like a restaurant or something to go to the bathroom. And we're throwing football round, and how good did I do?
You did really good, actually.
I threw so good.
Like, who is Tom Brady?
Who is that? Didn't get the ball, and it was really fun. What? Hey! Ah! Holy fuck! He's crazy. I'm gonna put it down the hill again. Oh, there he goes. Go get it. Back down! Don't. Domestic violence. Anyway, you love me.
I do love you.
Oh, so pretty. I got cotton candy. He got shit.
That's not. That's really good.
Is that? You love it? More than Milky Way?
Nah, Milky Way's really good. Beautiful.
You think they're beautiful?
Oh, the flowers? No, I'm talking about you.
Oh, so sweet. I got the cotton candy and there's like no blue. Oh, fuck. It's cute though.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
Twerking.
Pimps and they love you. Drop it like it's hot.
Do you want to slip? Sounded like it. Oh my god, there's people over there. I hope I don't get a tick. I'll actually freak out. We should get like a little net from the dollar store and go fishing. Yeah, like you know.
Fucking god at throwing rocks.
Are you?
It's two.
Okay, I'll try and skip. This looks flat. Ready, babe?
Oh, nice. It's too big. It's too big.
A flat one?
Flat one. And the more round you can get, the better. That's too big. That's too big. That's too
Maybe for you. Ah! Look, I got one. Oh my gosh. I wonder if they'll fly away. They look like they're getting ready. We're just getting fish and chips and we both got the poutine.
Hey.
Oh, a poutine. And you know what he said? He's like, make sure you bring your wallet.
Yeah, I got you on lock now. I ain't gotta press you anymore. Once I got you on lock, you're gonna pay for your own shit. I'm just kidding.
Just kidding.